This video explains how to buy shares of Ramelius Resources Ltd, the Australian gold miner listed on the CBOE AUS with ticker RMS.ASX. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as the demonstration platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a valid ID document, and then add funds to your trading balance. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RMS.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Ramelius Resources Ltd on the CBOE AUS. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Ramelius Resources Ltd. Confirm the name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. Click the Trade or Invest button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and if your account lacks funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completion. Your new position will appear in the portfolio once the order is executed or queued. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same example.